My name is John Albert Girisate. Today I will present my presentation in UCS from 12 STEM E. Number 1. Why do you think Filipinos love to eat balut? Balut is a traditional delicacy from the Philippines that is highly prized. It's an early developed embryo inside a fertilized duck egg that is boiled and consumed in its shell balut, eating as ingrained in Filipino custom and culture. It is again popularity as a street meal over time, and resident frequently eat it. It is a appetizer or snack. Balut is another well-known in the Philippines that is enjoyed by Filipinos due to its distinct taste and texture, as well as its cultural importance. Because of its taste and popularity, it's well known Filipinos and many people like eating it is because it's so delicious. For the most part, Filipinos adore indeed it is. Pero how do you think the people that surrounds the child may be a good influence for him or her? A child's environment has a significant impact on their development. A child's attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors can be positively influenced by peers, family, and friends. These people can be offer direction, encouragement, and support, assisting youngster and overcoming overcoming obstacle and coming to wise judgment. Resili- resilience resilience and a sense of are all enhanced by a loving environment and are critical components of child's overall well-being. Good people are abundant, as are those whose poverty, and make children happy by instilling in them a sense of morality and of, of God. Even if there are still morality, a lot of evil people in the world, our nation is home to a large number of good people, as well as children who grow up in 3. Why do you think political dynasty is existing in the Philippines? In the Philippines, a political dynasties have long been a source of discussion. Historical and cultural aspect can be ascribed to the establishment of political dynasties. Some families have become prominent figures in both local and national politics throughout time by developing strong political networks. These families frequently possess the assets, cloth, and heritage necessary to maintain their political dominance for many generations. Political dynasties have also endured in the Philippines because of the long history of local leaders. These leaders they're elevating their relatives to position of political authority.